Hi, welcome to TextMall. My name is Caitlin, and today I'll be walking you through some basics of your account. TextMall is designed to help you keep people informed when it matters most. We're an automated text and voice messaging platform that simplifies mass messaging by delivering your important messages quickly. Something really unique about our company is that we truly care about our customers. We think the world would be better if nice people finished first, and our goal is to make a positive impact. We encourage you to visit our website to read our full manifesto, values, and commitments. So let's dive into your account and learn how to send your first broadcast. To get started, simply sign into your account and click Create Broadcast. From here, you'll be able to decide on which settings you'd like to use, add your recipients, create your message, and submit. As part of your free trial, you were given 25 credits, and you can use these to send yourself test broadcasts and get a hang of the platform. From our navigation at the top of the page, you can manage conversations and responses, add contacts, and view your message library. To access your settings, just click on the drop-down on the top right side of your page. And that's pretty much it. We offer multiple pricing options which you can review on our pricing page. Thank you so much for trying out TextMall. We're excited to have you on board, and let us know if you have any questions.